transformation in manufacturing industry is happening by harnessing the AI as well as the business automation. Essentially, the goal is to drive the improvements in the business processes, which result into all the great financials and customer benefits that we know of. As we all know that the net zero is the emission target most of manufacturing companies are driving for, and people are making incremental progress. Currently, manufacturing industry generates about 25% of all the emissions. So similar to the data collection and cleansing and quality control aspects, when you think about the emission controls too, more than the hardware side of things, there is a lot of processes and a lot of human involvement that happens in the data collection for that as well. And that is where automation is actually playing a key part. And then we have some AI models that we have helped some customers with in making sure that that automation and more importantly, AI-enabled decisions are actually geared from those type of AI models that we have for our customers.
We're into intelligent automation because we wanted to see the long-term spectrum of growth and maturity play out in the way we communicated to the organization. And we'll talk a little bit about task mining and our customer service operation and how it generated the idea of attended bot usage, and then document understanding and action center where we're actively using this platform and hope to grow the usage of this platform going forward, and a little bit about our future. So just to give you an idea, once we launched the attended bot, we did a comparison, and these little blue and green bars are actual results from individual operators and the time it was taking for them to execute the transaction. And we were measuring the percentage of improvement that each agent was getting in their handle time. And overall, it was about a 14% improvement. And you can imagine when you're talking about minutes of time, 14% is a pretty decent impact, and we're pretty happy about those results.